Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound.
Hello everyone, welcome to another home organization video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Cindy, welcome. And this is the second video of my decluttering and organizing one room at a time. So now it's time for my closet. This one comes in a set of 50. I already have 50 more there. And we are just going to replace the black ones and the plastic ones with this one and make it matchy. So as you can see, I have my clothes color coded, lightest to darkest, but I didn't finish all the way back because again I didn't have enough hangers, so that's what we're going to do today. I'm on a mission to declutter and organize my home, and this is a closet that I share with my husband. This is my side of the closet. It's a pretty decent size. Until we get this closet a little makeover, I decided to start decluttering and to change all of my hangers to velvet ones and one color. I start with no sleeves shirts, short sleeve, long sleeves, then skirts, short pants, long pants, and then dresses or any type of outerwear. So here I am adding all those pieces of clothing that I'm not going to use in a donation bag. By the corner on my right, I have some suitcases I'm planning to take out of this closet and maybe put it in the guest room or attic. As you can see, this closet only has one of those wire racks on top and nothing for shoe organization, which drives me nuts. But in the meantime, I have our shoes on the floor until we figure out when are we going to do a makeover on this closet. For my long dresses, I just fold them once again in the hanger. This way they don't drop all the way down and I can actually see my shoes. But I'm curious to know, how do you organize your closet? Is it by color quarter like me, or is it by category? So I ran out of hangers again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the ones that I know that the pieces of clothes that I want, but I'm going to leave it in other velvet hangers, not that the color that I want, and then I will reorder another pack. Now I declutter my side of the closet. I just need to remove some of those mismatched hangers and some of my long dresses that I have in the back. And then I have these garment bags that are pretty good to store dresses or suits that you don't wear on a regular basis and you want to protect them. These are from Amazon. I'm gonna link everything in the description box down below. I have 4 long dresses in one bag. As you can see, I can still add more to it. These are dresses that I use for weddings. These will be dust-free in the back of my closet. Another organization that I did last year and it's been holding up so good is how we store our jeans in the closet. I bought a pack of S hooks on Amazon and you can see all of your jeans. Before I used to fold them and stack them up on the shelves, and then we needed to get to all of them to grab one denim, and not anymore. I have on my side my pants and on his side his pants. Is totally a game changer. Moving on to my dresser, I wanted to organize this better. This is a dresser that has 11 drawers and I think that I'm not using it properly. So I have this big drawer and I wanted to organize my underwear. So I decided to remove all of my bras, put it in one of the smallest one. Here I'm gonna put the neutral ones, which I have enough. And then on the other ones, maybe the black ones and whites. I found those organizers for your socks and undergarments. It comes in a pack of 3. So I want to use 2 on that drawer that I just showed you. In the big drawer, I added 2 of these organizers, one for my underwear and one for my socks. But then I was running out of space, so I decided to add this one here for just the socks and then use the other 2 in the big drawer for all of my underwears. These comes in black, gray, and kind of like a beigey color. I wanted to have like all of my organizers in the same color scheme as possible, just like the hangers. And this one is a little bit wider, so I'm adding 3 pairs of socks on each cube.
Times when I'm thinking about us before we got lost and we parted. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight.
Moving on to the master bathroom, I needed to organize under the sink cabinet on my husband's side. It is a hot mess. There's like everything was shoved in there since we moved. So it's time to declutter and add some organization system here.
Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we were
ordered this set of 4 stackable drawer organizers. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that I've used this all out throughout my home for my medicine, under the kitchen sink for my makeup, and now to organize my husband's bathroom stuff.
What if I'm no good for you? What if I'm no good? What if you're no good for me? What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me?
Next, I ordered these organizers to use them to hold the toothpaste, the toothbrush, and other small items, and that will be so convenient to use it every day. It has dividers, very seamless, very nice, and it holds up really, really good. I will be ordering more for my girls' bathroom as well. So to start, I added his items that he doesn't use on a regular basis in the back, and then all of his trimming and razors in one bin, and then on top the stuff that he use every day, plus this little cutie over here. And then on this side, I think I'm gonna do a cleaning caddy for this bathroom. And now we're gonna do a little bit of restock in the kitchen, but before, let's clean up this mess in 1, 2, 3. We're gonna start by restocking my Ziploc bags and these bamboo organizers. These are amazing. Everything stays well organized. Each box has its name, like sandwich, quarter, snack, and gallon bags. Moving on to my coffee station, I needed to restock on the nutmeg. If you are Hispanic or not, let me know if you add some nutmeg to your coffee every day. That's a staple here in my home. I do have the Nespresso machine, but that's for an afternoon coffee. But in the mornings, we brew Bustelo. This pack of 4, I usually buy it in Sam's Club or Costco. And then the containers are a set of 3 or 4 from Amazon, including the tablespoon. This gorgeous marble container is from the at-home stores. I just love it, and this is where I store my sugar for my coffee. Again, I will leave everything linked down in the description box. organization system that works well for me is the spice drawer. Before I used to have them in a cabinet and it did not work at all. Ever since I did this back in our first home before we moved here, it just stays organized. I just have to clean it out a little bit and then just restock and everything goes back where it's supposed to be. So let me know down in the comments if you store your spices in a drawer or in a cabinet.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us.
Next is this beautiful oil dispenser. Not only I love the fluted reeded effect, but it's so functional. The oil does not drip at all. I totally recommend this. And that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing before you go. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.